gentle as a dove, yet with the justice in thy love, there is no fault in me. When your words fall like the rain on my thirsty soul, thy words are full with life and the sweet fragrance of peace. Bloomed in the desert of